So hello everyone, I have recently
Hi,
completed
myself
my internship on
Christian
web
Rani. I
development
have
by
completed my
Unified Mentor for 1
internship
month,
with
and
Unified
it gives
Mentor
me
as a
an
full stack
excellent
web development
experience
intern.
during
It
this
was a
1 month
great learning
internship
experience.
course. I
I
have
got
learned
to
many
work on the
skills during
projects
this,
like
and I learned more
weather
about
app, which
HTML,
uses
CSS,
API
and
integration,
JavaScript,
or student
and
teacher
it will
booking
find
appointments,
me more
which also
productive,
uses
and
Firebase and
it's
Cloud
very good.
Firestore.
Thank you.
I
So
had
hello everyone, I have
such a
recently
great time
completed my
working on this
internship on
project,
web
which
development by
makes my
Unified
knowledge
Mentor
or,
for 1 month,
my
and
theoretical
it gives
knowledge
me
worked into the
an
practical
excellent
one.
experience
It
during this 1
improved
month
my skills in
internship course.
HTML,
I have
CSS,
learned many
JavaScript,
skills during
and
this,
also
and I
I
learned more
happen
about
to learn new
HTML,
skills
CSS, and
like
JavaScript,
React, Node,
and it will
and
find me
Firebase as
more
well.
productive, and
I
it's
had
very
such a
good.
great
Thank you.
time overall.
So
The
hello everyone, I
mentors
have
in
recently
Unified
completed
Mentor
my
are so
internship on
supportive.
web
Any
development
doubts can be
by
solved if I
Unified
message
Mentor
them
for
or call
1
them
month,
in any
and it
time,
gives me
which
an
was a great
excellent
thing which makes
experience
every
during this
task
1 month
easier.
internship course.
Thank you,
I have learned
Unified
many
Mentor,
skills
for
during this,
giving me this
and I learned
opportunity,
more
and I
about
recommend to
HTML,
all the
CSS, and
students to
JavaScript,
gain the work
and it will
experience
find
and
me more
the real life
productive,
experience
and
with this.
it's very
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you.